How to delete Facebook activity log all at once. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can delete Facebook activity log all at once. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Facebook application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. After you're logged in, navigate to top right corner and just below the chat icon, tap on the profile icon with three-line icon. From here, tap on settings icon from the top right corner in front of search icon again. Here, scroll all the way down and look for an option that is activity log. Under activity log, again scroll down and then tap on activity history. Here you can find all your activity history. So in order to delete a specific one, navigate to that, and on next to that you will find three dot icon, tap on it and then tap on delete and again confirm it. Once you do that, it's now deleted from your activity history. So in this way you can go one by one for each history. But if you like to clear all at once, then what you have to do is navigate to your main settings piece. Here at the top, tap on account center. Here again scroll down a bit and then tap on your information and permission. Here tap on your activity of Meta Technology and scroll down a bit and then tap on clear previous activity. Choose your Facebook account and here tap on clear. Here make sure to read this information, then tap on clear previous activity. It says now the activity is cleared. With that, you have cleared all your Facebook activity log all at once. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.